Today we'll show you how to turn these easy shapes into high quality logos, and it's going to take less than a minute. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll show you how to turn easy shapes in Illustrator to high quality logo. First of all, select the shape which you want to edit. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, find Transform Effect. Use Transform Effect and play with the scales. Keep preview so you can see how shape was edited. And let's repeat the same for the other shape. Effect, go back to Transform Effect, keep preview and spy how it's look like. Same we do it for the third shape. Oh, I think it's look perfect. Let's copy it and I will show you what else you can do with Effect. Select the object, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Zigzag. And Zigzag panel will open, play with the scales and spy how it's look like, but keep preview so you can see the changes. Oh, I think it's look perfect. Let's repeat for other objects. The same things. Use Zigzag, play with the scale, keep preview. You can play with the scale till you like the result. I want to show you what else you can do with this tool. So basically you're going to the shape and on the right side you will see transform. Here try to play with rotation and look how beautiful objects appearing. I think it's amazing. Let's see how it will look like for the other shapes what we have. If this video was helpful for you, please hit like and subscribe. More videos with shortcuts and life hacks for Adobe Illustrator coming soon. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.